Hey, good morning friends, how are you? Welcome to our channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Today I wake up thinking about and reflecting about my life as a mom. And first of all, let's gonna get some energy. I need my tea to detox and to gain energy for the projects I'm thinking about. So I'm watching, enjoying the nature while I'm thinking what I can present to my YouTube people. And so yes, I got it. I'm gonna present some ideas for make brunch or dinner. You can choose one of the both. You can cook for your wife, or you can cook for your mom, or for the whole family. So the first is a Monte Cristo sandwiches, and in this case I'm using multi-grain bread, but you have to use the white bread. This is a diet style, so if you are on diet, follow me. If not, change the ingredients for white bread and try to add eggs with 5 spoons of milk, some salt, and cut the edges of the bread and put on in this way. That could be grilled in a pan, both sides in your stove, but in this case I'm gonna make in the oven. If you want to make like me to save time, this is time saver. The oven is what I call time saver. And so you put all the meats and cheese and all what you want. First mayonnaise, and there's everything you want. Your white bread on the top, and then you're gonna moisturize. You can do 2 floors if you want. Another more bread. You're gonna pass through the egg. You're gonna cover with the egg mixture, and you're gonna put in your oven in 350 for 15 minutes, or when the bread is brown. In this second, I am teaching you this spread that you can mix it. It's avocado, tropical avocado fusion. So you're gonna have an avocado. This is adapted for 2 people. If you are more, double or triplicate the ingredients. So to your avocado match, you're gonna need some pineapple, some mango, some red flakes, pepper, some salt, and some juice, lime juice or lemon juice, whatever of both. Too much lemon, and that's it. You're gonna mix everything, guys, and this is the most delicious thing. Okay, our sandwiches are ready. Don't make the normal sandwiches. Let's do something different for surprise our wife on the bed if we're gonna get the brunch to her with your kids do together. So in my second option, I'm gonna get a cold table with ham, or you can use lox or a smoked salmon. If you don't eat the smoked salmon, you can use this the regular ham. This is turkey ham, sweet ham, I don't know, and some cream cheese. Guys, I make it rolls. Let me tell you, this is super delicious. And for brunches for Mother's Day had to be something super easy, affordable, cold, quickly, and always have an account. You put something already buy something already made, something that your mother like. My mother like Latin stuff, so I buy those tamales. Why not? My culture is so good, delicious food. And here I'm setting all the cold table, my smoked salmon table, cream cheese, bagel seasoning, my tropical avocado dip, some bagels, blueberry and normal bagels. So guys, this is super delicious, super and easy, super easy. I like it. I got the fruit, fresh fruit, but if you gonna have more people, cut the fruit in pieces, dice the fruit is a great option. Look, the put everything, set everything beautiful and glamorous to make feel that person so loved, to make feel your mom so loved, your wife so loved, and that you are grateful with her for all she do for you. So this is a strawberry mimosa, and this is our brunch setting for surprise our wives or our moms. You got more people because all the family have a big reunion, so set the brunch and the outside, in the garden, in the island, whatever you're gonna need more of those ingredients. Yes, that's it. They look super beautiful, affordable, and easy. If your mother like the coffee, coffee or chocolate, or I recommend for drink melon juice, cantaloupe juice. This is my first option, dinner options. I'm gonna begin cooking my potatoes for a mashed potato as a garnition. So the first option is salmon.
Hey guys, so
this is an Asian salmon.
And so I'm gonna begin seasoning.
And yes, so
I just got those things here. I'm gonna put just some garlic and some garlic and squeeze and lemon juices. And I'm gonna add tea so that like 100%.
this is the seasoning that left from my bagels, the bagel seasoning, and I love this seasoning on the top of my salmon. You can use the adobo you prefer, the adobo you like. You can use salmon seasoning. I got here all what I gonna use in one to save time. So I got garlic powder, onion powder, and all kind of the specials and things that I like to put in my salmon. But the focus point is what more we're gonna put. So you use a silo bag, you put your salmon, your fish, and you're gonna use pineapple. Pineapple is the main product in this recipe. So you put a lot of pineapple. Yes, you put 2 spoons of brown sugar on it, and Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce you put like this. Don't mistreat it because the salmon is too delicate. So put over a dish or plastic dish and put in the refrigerator, not frozen, refrigerator for overnight. They get all the juices and all the flavors. Guys, let me tell you, that's the most delicious salmon you have tried in your life. So here a garnition for this salmon, and the garnition is my asparagus. So I'm gonna take some olive oil, put all my asparagus that I already washed and cut, and I'm gonna put my olive oil on the pan, and I'm gonna put in the oven is preheated 350. I'm gonna put in, and I'm gonna put the mixture of all the seasonings that I use for my salmon on the top: onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, oregano, and more olive oil and sesame and everything you like for 15 minutes. I got my potatoes kicking for my potato aligot. So you see how pretty cute they are, and it smells so good. They're so crispy, so tender, so everything in one. It's so perfect. This is the second option that I got with the same garnition, the asparagus and the mashed potato. I'm gonna make the filet mignon. You're gonna need the cut for the filet mignon and the chunk tender steak. This cut like a little thick, and you're gonna need 2 bacons. We're gonna roll over our meat, our beef, and with the help of the sticks, we're gonna hold it up so they don't spoil. So this is a very good tender cut. Don't need too much seasoning, just the same seasoning I have been using. I'm gonna put it because this is juicy with too much flavor beef, so don't need that much. Now we're gonna put in a pan or iron too hot with some olive oil, and we're gonna let it settle down. Some Himalaya or kosher salt, that's the perfect because you tie it and enter to the meat so deep, give just too much flavor. So here we got our potatoes because we're gonna prepare a potato salad. Yeah, palm aligot. It is some kind of mashed potato, but the version is from France, so it's a French mashed potato with too much cheese. So we need a super extra soft potatoes. So we are using the drainer in this case to make softer. We don't need any grooms on it, and then we're gonna put on a pan in the stove and mix with some other things. The key for this, look at this, we need to be moving all the arounds, all the edges, because need to be real cooked. Now with our mashed potato, we go to add the heavy cream or media crema, the whipping cream, and some salt, pepper, and butter. Half a stick of butter. He got the butter already. I'm gonna give till they get consistency. You see how pretty it looks. And now we're gonna add some cheese. The cheese is the key. In the real aligot, they use different kind of cheese, like the Gruyere. You can put Gruyere in this case. I just adapting to mozzarella because it's the one I got, mozzarella and Parmesan. So you can use with Gruyere or the other kind of cheese. You see the consistency is changing. It's like a thick paste, like gum. It's like look like a gum, like I don't know. I just doing for 2 people. You are more adapted to more people, so that's some magnificent carnation for our asparagus and our filet mignon, or with our salmon, all match so perfectly. It's super easy. Those recipes are easy. You can cook for your wife if you don't know how to cook. I'm giving the keys, guys. I'm giving you the keys for the men to do it. So here is the final result, and here's our garnition. Our asparagus, I'm just adding olive oil to make it some pretty, and some sesame seeds on the top. This is our filet mignon. If you cut, you can see any little redness. So, but it's perfect. It's well cooked and it's perfect. And a mashed potato with some Parmesan cheese on the top. So this is the first option. If you want the option with the salmon, you take the filet mignon and put your salmon, Asian fusion salmon, and they're gonna taste so good, guys. The dessert for the dinner cannot miss. This is not alcohol, this is just a drink. And the option number 3, and this is the seasoning that I'm gonna use for them. This was like a lunch or another dinner, like 3 o'clock or something at the afternoon. So this is all what I'm gonna use, and this is a seafood on the oven, seafood knockback on the oven. So we have so jumbo shrimps, tiger shrimps, crab legs, crab claws, you can put lobsters, you can put mussels, you can put clams, you can put whatever, all the seafood you want to put on it, you can put it. The first step, you put the butter on, because the butter and the seasoning, the Old Bay gonna make the butter inside all the meat inside, like in a sponge, absorb all the infusion of seasoning. So we're gonna season the shrimps. Remember, we just two, but if there are more people in your family, that's the best option, putting a lot of stuff, guys. You can use crawfish, everything. We got potato, our sausages, boiled eggs. So here it is in a bag. It's super easy. Here in a bag, put all your potato, use corn, use sausages, anti sausage, your legs, your crab, your claws, everything. If you're gonna use clams and mussels, I recommend to put 5 minutes before finish, because they can be overcooked. So the eggs, don't put it in the bag. Make sure they be cooked a little bit more. So otherwise, sauce, they need like 1 stick of butter, too much lime juice or lemon juice, too much lemon juice, pieces of lemon if you want. I don't like to put pieces of lemon, and all the seasonings you want. And guys, close and put in the oven for 45 minutes for 100. And when they're ready, that smells so delicious, guys. And let's go together to these delicious small half sauce with the blouse sauce. I don't know how to pronounce. I think it's blouse or blouse macalicious sauce. So you can choose one of those options: filet mignon or salmon or seafood. That is so easy. If you're gonna make the brunch, get your wife to eat outside, to take dinner outside. You're gonna make the dinner, get to take the breakfast out. Thank you so much.